Every time you're called bottlers, and we bottled the league.
I think throughout the years we've been saying, I think it's the hope that kills us. But I think it's the hope that's the only thing that's making this sweeter, right?
Yeah.
Which is making this so much more fun and joyful, honestly.
True. It's amazing, man. As Arsenal fans, I think none of the Arsenal fans started supporting Arsenal for trophies. 25 years. I think everything is just about the brand of football.
The brand. The people that are supporting will be what important.
इनका भी literally put his ass on the line. Literally guys, put his ass on the line. But यार सालों से यार तेरे को गाली दे रहे थे कि यार क्या कहाँ लगा दिया यार. Whom have you started made support like? And now उतना ही thankful कि fuck wow bro. किसको support करवाया तूने भाई?
Totally worth the wait. I feel.
Exactly.
और हर एक era में जो अपन ने सफर किया है, जो अभी मेरे को लगा कि wow what a bittersweet moment was that कि अभी ऐसा अपन जीत रहे हैं भाई. That we are that team. We are not कि हम लोग fifth finish कर रहे हैं, fourth finish कर रहे हैं, हम लोग सिटी से फाइनल हार रहे हैं.
Fourth वाले तो सब
सिटी से हार रहे हैं, फाइनल हार रहे हैं, लिवरपूल से 4-1 हार रहे हैं without any reason. हम लोग उन लोग को होम पे हरा रहे हैं उनके. मतलब there was a time कि हम लोग उन लोग को अवे भी एकदम अच्छे से एक सीजन आसिल कुछ टॉप 6 के सामने हारा ही नहीं है, कुछ ऐसा भी था. तो मतलब आर्टेटा को तो मैं मतलब भगवान मानता हूं. What a manager.
But the style of football is different. The mentality
of football.
Yeah. Planted in the heads of these guys, and he's given us hopes. Exactly.
Yeah, and I like it how he's been very focused that while Arsenal is loved for the football it plays, and many people may not understand this because we've seen Arsenal in games when Arsenal played the kind of game. I think Arsenal was doing tiki-taka before.
Yes.
I may be wrong, but we've seen
Wilshere, Santi Cazorla,
man, these guys.
Sanchez, Ozil, what a player.
Yeah. So we were watching this beautiful football. I think Arteta came and he said that the fan base needs trophies, and you get trophies by 3 points. And 3 points come by just winning by 1 goal, and that 1 goal can be a corner.
Can be a own goal, bro.
Nobody cares.
So we were getting slack before for playing good football, but the opponent saying 3 points. We used to get fucked back then. Now we are playing alright football. Obviously,
we are getting 3 points, and still we are getting sloshed.
So now I know that it's just Arsenal where the problem lies. It is not the football, not the 3 points. It is just people are just very scared of seeing Arsenal win. So yeah, great.
Yeah, people who really, I mean, we do often get affected by what people say. We have friends जो बोलते हैं कि हार गए वुल्व्स के सामने draw, हार गए अभी game, यूनाइटेड के सामने 3-2. Fuck, that game was a disaster. 3-2 United.
3-2 United. That was the worst game of the season. Worst game of the season. Especially because of the comments we've had to hear from people who've had absolutely shit season at all. They're just celebrating on Bruno's 20 assists. I think that's the highlight of the season.
8 non-corners और वो सब
only from
open places.
जब ऑनरी का था सीजन, not trying to pick up a fight or anything, but ऑनरी का जब था सीजन, जब उसने 22
goals, 22 assists, ऐसा कुछ था.
उसने 24 गोल मारे थे और उसके 20 के 20 ओपन प्ले असिस्ट थे. And he won a trophy that year. United didn't even win anything.
They qualified for Champions League, bro. That's
trophy right. It was ये टाइम ना हमारा कि हम लोग भी चैंपियंस लीग के लिए क्वालीफाई हो रहे थे. हम लोग का क्या सीजन है.
That's why I relate more to them. I don't want to make like give them a terrible time than they are already having.
And getting sloshed by Bayern 10-2. What was that number? And still supporting Arsenal in those difficult times, and still hoping that one day.
I'll be honest कि तब मैं ऐसा सोचता था कि क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो क्या टीम है, क्यों कर रहा हूँ इसको सपोर्ट और छोड़ दूंगा.
I'll stop watching the match. There's no point watching the match. I think we need to find a new team.
मैं एक पॉइंट पे मैंने आर्सेनल हैंडल को मैसेज किया था कि बस हो गया, मैं आयक्स को सपोर्ट कर. There was a time जब आयक्स बहुत मस्त खेल रहा था. I like the football, fuck you guys. But नहीं छूटता है
यार. ये एक ही चीज है शायद जो कभी नहीं छूटेगा मुझे लगता है कि fuck भाई, the loyalty is
very. I think more than the loyalty, it's also that that हम 3 सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. We know 3 more people who support because of us. So now that
cluster,
that multi-level marketing of football.
How do you feel this? Like you've started a chain of followers. Like you've literally been the center from which everyone has started supporting Arsenal one by one without questions asked. Like I have no clue how I started supporting. I just walked in one day at your place where you were watching Arsenal match, and I was just told, okay, this is football. This is the only team you've got to support. They play the most beautiful football in the country. I was scammed into following Arsenal at that time. But how do you feel?
Like you see, this just shows that no Arsenal fan is an Arsenal fan by choice. ठीक है, everyone has been called
marketing.
हाँ, हर एक को कोई फंसा के गया है कि भाई ये बेस्ट टीम है, तुम करो मैं चलता हूँ.
But वो चलता भी नहीं है, वो भी फंसा हुआ है. तो लेयर्स पे सबको गाली पड़ रहा है.
But है कुछ तो यार क्लब के बारे में खेला जाता
है. Something special for sure यार, जो बाकी क्लब्स में नहीं है यार, नहीं है.
यार इतने साल तक तो मेरे को लगता था the only thing good about supporting Arsenal is कि ऑनलाइन हमें ग्रीन फ्लैग बुलाए जाते थे. Like Arsenal guys, the guys who support Arsenal are the biggest green flags. अब तक मैं उसमें खुश था कि यार चलो हमें ग्रीन फ्लैग तो माना जाता है. But I think this adds to it like.
नहीं
ये बहुत ज्यादा ऐड कर रहा है. बहुत कम सोच रहा था. ये तो बहुत ज्यादा ऐड कर रहा है. मतलब फ्यूचर में तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि दिस इज आवर टाइम. अभी हम लोग 5 साल एकदम अनबेरेबल होने वाले हैं. हम लोग रूइन करने वाले हैं यूनाइटेड फैंस. मतलब जो भी है वो हेट तो है ही, बट हम लोग रूइन कर देंगे, तुम लोग को खत्म कर देंगे. ये मेरे को बस ऐसा पुट आउट करना है कि नहीं भाई अब बस हो गया.
ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये हम अभी पब्लिश नहीं करेंगे.
हम पब्लिश नहीं करेंगे, इसको कट कर
20 ट्रॉफी और आएंगे तो देखो प्रेडिक्ट किया था, बताया नहीं था, सब प्रेडिक्ट कर दिया था.
बट फुटबॉल वाज ऑलवेज ब्यूटीफुल. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि हम लोग बैड गंदा ugly football खेल रहे just to win, like the Jose Mourinho.
Honestly, great point. But I think this year we've done a little bit of that diving and all of that, and I actually feel like I think United used to do this a lot.
Yes,
they were foggy time, diving, pretending, acting, all of that. तो मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगता था. इस साल हमने वो किया बहुत. I don't fucking care. I love it. Okay, players from the past जो अभी की टीम में fit होते हैं, तो Ozil I think.
Ozil Sanchez.
नहीं यार, work rate मतलब depend करता है.
नहीं 100%. Ozil over work rate of the come on. In this team Ozil would have done wonders, bro.
I also feel that.
Ozil over Odegaard, Sanchez on the left wing.
Sanchez
Oh,
left wing is
Sanchez,
easy.
Sanchez,
I mean, just
on the
slots
left wing.
right in.
Yeah.
Sanchez on the left
That's
wing.
about it, bro. No, nobody else.
I think right wing अगर टिम्बर का इंजरी अगर हम पिक्चर में रखें तो बाकी
Bellingham.
सानिया
Oh yeah, Sanya, yaar. But guys, what a player, bro.
maybe अगर बस नहीं if Timber is uninjured Timber is
Bellerin भी अच्छा था नहीं?
नहीं यार. All right.
Yeah.
Tierney भी बहुत अच्छा player था, but
Tierney was good. I love Tierney, bro.
Tierney
I
was
loved
अच्छा
Tierney.
Tierney भी अपने Arteta project में था यार.
हाँ true
No, Tierney was there. How Tierney?
I think centre backs तो अपने probably
Centre backs
No
are the
one,
best
no
centre
one,
backs
no
we
one,
have.
no one, no one.
yeah
No one comes remotely close.
in the midfield also
Santi Cazorla maybe Zubimendi. Santi Cazorla.
Santi and Ozil
Oh, wow, yeah.
But वही फिर अपना difference बहुत चेंज
हाँ.
था.
No, I mean, controversial opinion, but I think Saliba and Gabriel are way better than Kos and Mertesacker.
Yeah,
Any
Definitely.
day.
I think उनका
it's
competition होगा भी तो-
not even controversial, man.
They're way better.
competition होगा भी तो I think वो era जो I think Kolo Toure and Gallas
Yes. Any day. Tony Adams time.
Tony Adams was
Maybe
defensive.
Tony
I think Saliba,
Ah.
talent-wise, is the best centre back ever
True.
for us. Ever.
Ever.
111 years of history, I feel. Talent-wise. मतलब भाई उसका वो ego और वो जो भी वो नहीं है.
How he owns up the space.
Public respect नहीं करता है उसको, but जो वो decisions लेता है, जो चीजें करता है, sorry, I think it's not. मतलब talent wise तो Saliba any day. मतलब obviously अगर वो 5 साल और खेला तो club legend बन जाएगा, उसका भी statue बनेगा.
true Henry would fit in
Henry Woodford, Henry right wing.
exactly left wing और यार
Bergkamp खेल लेता शायद striker right. Bergkamp खेलता था वो striker ही खेलता था.
Bergkamp yes Van Persie
Van Persie would fit right in, man. Fabregas midfield लेता ना.
Obviously, good fit, 100%. Supporting.
Let's
And, well,
go.
finally this. And the players would start wanting to come in and play for Arsenal because obviously they feel that it's such a good atmosphere to play and we started winning. So just winning will take
yes.
over now.
There's
It's
a
just
time.
start, I feel.
मतलब हम लोग कुछ 6-7 साल पहले एम्बापे साइन करने वाले थे फ्रॉम मोनाको और सब लोग हम पे हंसते थे कि एम्बापे तुम पे क्यों आएगा. He signed for PSG.
अब आएगा,
or
क्यों नहीं
something.
आएगा? अब हम लेके क्यों नहीं
अब ऐसा
देखेंगे?
लगेगा कि
अब
अभी तो
time
बहुत
है.
पॉसिबल है. अभी तो
अब देखेंगे.
रॉड्रिगो भी आएगा, अभी तो ये
पहले
भी
यूएस सबसे पूछता था तुम क्या हो गए अब हम यूएस को बोलते हैं तुम क्या हो गए this is our time
This is our time, man. मतलब it would not be surprising. An entire journey has made us like कि yeah, it is okay. It was like a slow curve that we have suffered and now we have won. It is मतलब that we deserve it. ऐसा नहीं था कि oh my god out of the blue जैसे Chelsea Champions League जीत जाता randomly. तो out of the blue तो कुछ भी नहीं है. It was years of like hard work of the players, of the manager, of the team, of the entire foundation.
yeah supporters
Supporters.
we've been buying
Still-
jerseys
still
hoping that
supporting.
this funds 1% of their
Another trend started by Mr. Tejas. He
Uh-huh.
convinced, it was my first internship ever. This is the first time I started making any real form of money. And obviously it was not a lot. But Tejas somehow convinced me, कि let's buy an original jersey worth fucking 5,000 rupees at that time. And he's like, you know what, the jersey is not important. Our 5,000 rupees is going to go to the club so that they can spend money to buy players. You know, we are helping support. And I was so much convinced, okay, this is where I'm going to spend my 5,000 rupees. So yeah, one more thing started by this. I don't think Tejas has stopped buying jerseys.
all of us should buy one jersey और मतलब उससे Declan Rice का पैसा निकल रहा है he deserves that money
Yeah, I feel that 105 million signing, I had my 5,000 rupees in it.
yes
I had my small contribution, but yeah, alright.
yeah it's 5 in the morning guys but closing note Champions League predictions I think it's going to be very tough what do you guys think
This is going to be very tough. I'm manifesting a Havertz header, then 90 minutes of haram ball. I don't care. I don't
I
care.
just needed, I mean,
A Havertz header and 90 minutes of haram ball. I'll be content. And I'll be happy for like rest of my life. I don't care. I don't care how we win it.
I
Just
think
hope we win it.
at least I'm sure about we won't roll over in front of
No,
them.
for sure. Not final. Not
Fucking
final like
very
last
good
year.
fan.
Not final.
Fuck no, it's not going to be one-sided. We're going to give them a run for their money.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
I feel it'll be maybe 2-1 in our favor.
Maybe I'll go with 1-0. 1-0. 56 minutes Havertz header.
Tejas as pessimistic as he can be. He's still not predicting the Champions League winner.
no I think it's
Now
going to be
anything's
PSG
changed?
I think it's going to be PSG
It's going to be PSG?
हाँ PSG होएगा क्योंकि
But ये तेरा टेक्निक है Tejas. कि तू होप करता है कि सामने वाला जीते. So that he's like, मैंने तो बोला था कि वही जीतने वाला है और अपना टीम जीत जाए. तो obviously he's happy that अरे अपना टीम जीत गया. So I think that's always been Tejas' technique. To bet on the wrong side of the team.
बहुत strong team है यार I think we need to I think we still need players they have easier games तो tough तो होगा बहुत tough होगा but I think honestly to win the Premier League toughest league in the world man.
Exactly.
It's enough. It's good enough.
Good enough.
I don't care.
Good
Don't care about the Champions League this season. We'll go for it again next year if we don't make it. But if we do, nothing like it. What a day that'll be. Champions League winners.
Oh, I think we're going to meet soon, guys. Up
We'll
to
be
the Champions League
there.
final.
We'll be there.
On the record.
We'll be there.
We'll be there, guys. We'll be there.
All right.
So guys,
That's
signing
nice.
out.
Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Don't like fucking
Enjoy.
haram ball people say that you play haram ball.
Not let the
Just-
celebration police catch you guys.
Yes.
Get there.
We'll be there.
But
Enjoy,
yes.
enjoy the freaking moment. Boy. Every Arsenal fan just enjoy it because there's nothing like it.
This is it, guys. This is
Go
it.
YG. Go YG, guys. Go
Fucking
YG.
Take care, guys. Bye.
Take care. Bye bye.